Hey, welcome guys. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing of Google Stadia. Now, this is the Google Stadia Founders Edition, which is the only way currently as of this video unboxing video to play Google Stadia. It's basically Google's cloud streaming service for playing AAA titles, well, literally from the cloud. You don't have to download any games of any kind. Everything's strictly done over the internet. It's kind of like the Netflix of gaming. Some other companies have tried doing this in the past, and they've always failed. They always end up going under or being bought up by some other service competitor. So, for example, PlayStation now has their own service. They bought a competitor and kind of advanced upon it. So, here's a controller that you'll need to use Google Stadia with the Chromecast Ultra anyway. It's pretty sturdy, feels rather comfortable, rather similar design to what you would find with other console controllers. I mean, if you're familiar with, say, the Xbox controller, this will feel pretty at home with you. So yeah, button placement very similar to what you find on other console gaming controllers. So it looks to be a headphone jack at the bottom for private listening. There should be a microphone built into the controller as well if you want to use Google Assistant. So just getting the rest of the parts out. So again, my understanding is that the controller is needed for using the Chromecast Ultra, but if you want to game through the Chrome web browser, you can just do it with your computer's keyboard and mouse. You don't need the controller itself. So it's USB-C, that's going to charge the controller. So you can connect it to a computer, or you can charge it to the wall outlet to recharge the controller. See the documentation that it comes with. Okay, so it's just like this little snippet of like, hey, we promise to provide you great service, stuff like that. Although the release has been rather not so steady because I'm getting this a couple days after other people have received the pre-orders. Google has been handling the process rather poorly. So this video is recorded in advance. I'll be testing it out for a couple of months, probably because I've heard really bad things about the release. So when the review video is posted the same week as this unboxing, it's actually 2 months after I'm unboxing this equipment, just for the sake of testing it very thoroughly. So there is the charging adapter for the Chromecast Ultra. Why you're forced to pay for a Chromecast Ultra if you already own one, I have no idea. So you're just spending more money on the Founders Edition. Doesn't make any sense. I find this to be a really poor decision, rather bad taste, just really bizarre on Google's part. This should have been optional to purchase separately because you can game on a Chrome web browser. So the only thing that should have been mandatory is maybe buying the controller at most. I don't know what Google was thinking there. But yeah, that pretty much seems to be it in terms of documentation and stuff, nothing really else. I don't have an activation code anywhere, which is weird because I should have received it in the email the same time my shipment was sent out, but it's not in my email, which I checked when I got the box in the mail. That's why I'm looking through maybe some missed documentation because it's supposed to be an email, but I'm hoping that, hey, maybe Google changed their mind and put it as a piece of paper, but I have nothing. So I have what looks to be a brick. I can't do anything with Stadia. So another rather weird, unfortunate mess with the release, as other people have experienced, I guess. So yeah, not a good start. So that's pretty much it. If you guys found this video useful, be sure to hit the like button, check out the review in the video description, subscribe, and thanks for watching.